We're not gonna do the knocking on the door and then, oh, come in, oh my gosh, surprise, it's you, because you've seen that too many times. Hi guys, it's Anna, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my room. I don't know if you guys have really been here full scale before. I've always kind of just done videos and clips and stuff around here. I don't understand. I'm here with my sister who's filming. She'll say hi at the end. And so it's gonna be cool vibes, hopefully. I would have music playing right now, but we're not trying to get copyrighted, so y'all, you can see my steezy socks. And then at the end I'll have my Instagram, all that fun stuff linked so you guys can check it out. So let's start in the corner here by the door. So this is the fun corner of my room where I stash all the things that I need when I'm going out. There is a bug. I'll steal this. So we have here, this is technically my sister's closet, guys. It's mad at me a lot.
I do.
Anyway, so this is my sister's closet, but the outside's mine. On one side here, I have, this is kind of like a chalkboard thing, but I don't really write anything on it because dust, you know, allergy. So what I've done instead is to have this kind of collage. Most of them are postcards. Some of these are vintage. I got some of them, I got this one. Yeah, that's the only one I got from a vintage shop. The rest are actually from museums and books about art and stuff. So I have some Salvador Dali, Van Gogh, more Van Gogh. Here in the middle, I also have a pocket. Come closer, let them see. This plastic pocket thing with Polaroids, some of my favorite memories. These handbags that I wear a lot, and they also happen to match the color scheme of my room. So you know, we like that. Album covers that also happen to match the colors of my room. Guys, it's just everything. Here in this corner, we have this mirror that I actually put up, and then I tiled this myself. We're gonna ignore the fact that there's 2 tiles missing, just pretend that they're in there. Here I have a little bulletin board. I painted these 2 things here. I painted this, let's say, almost 3 years ago, so it's been up for a while. This too, I really like how they look. A little picture of me and my dad when I was little and could still have chocolate. Here in this little corner, which you guys can ignore, I have some storage, some paper that I'm gonna use for a project these days, my portfolio for my art stuff. And this normally wouldn't be here, but this is my duffel, my Nike duffel with some clothes, which I'm taking on a family trip. The trip is like 3 weeks away. Moving on is my dress hat, a little earring rack, which I made myself. And then here's where I keep my jewelry. I have some hoops, I have some dangly earrings, lots of fun things. And up here I have a record, which I thrifted for $3, which is really cool. I have never listened to it because I don't have a record player. And I also can't find this anywhere, like YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, like it just doesn't exist apparently. So I don't know what it sounds like, but that's okay, it still looks cute. Here I have a necklace rack, which is really, it kind of is a different vibe from the rest of my room, but I like it anyways. And here on my dresser, we have this little heart dish where I keep my rings. My metal rings are really, very nice. This is such a Pinterest thing to me, like I love this so much. I back it up. Shawty trifling. A kind of staircase situation going on with my perfumes. These are my favorite ones that I wear a lot. These are my sunnies. These are my sunnies. My sunglasses. Lovely green box, which I also tiled myself. I think I did a good job. Anyways, my skincare box where I have lots of different things. Exfoliant, moisturizer, everything I use every day and then at night. So it's all in just this little box, which I think I did a nice job of. So then in this corner of my room, which is not my favorite because I don't really like this mirror. I'm trying to get a new mirror. It's easy for me to just sit here in front of the mirror and just do what I need to do. Beat this face. Essentials right there. The rest are inside my dresser and I'm not going to show you because it's a hot mess in there right now and you don't need to see it. This is my ukulele, and yes, for you internet trolls, I do play. Sometimes. Some records which I've thrifted as well. Again, I don't own a record player, so I've never heard them before, but they'd be nice and they'd be sitting there. This is my desk. And then I just have some books down there, lots of art books. Some storage for my art supplies. Yeah, just some fun stuff. I have nail polish up here. I have my funky lamp here. It's not plugged in right now, so it won't turn on, but it kind of just throws a spotlight up on the ceiling. And then art book. I got this in Chicago. Up here, we have some cool art prints. Hint, hint, I actually designed these 3. So maybe in the future it'll be something I'll look at. I don't know, maybe we'll see. And I have 2 vintage London prints, that's what they're called, and a page from an art college demonstration book that I liked, so I tore it out and I put it up there. This painting is from a family friend of ours. They're leaving, and so they just kind of were giving things away, and she said, I think you'd really like this, Anna, and so she gave it to me for my mom. I do like it, I put it up right away, so thank you, Aunt Julie, for that. We love it. Last but not least, we have my bed, which is undoubtedly the most boring part of my room, but that's okay. It's where I sleep, so it is an integral part of a bedroom. I made this pillow myself, so maybe that's something interesting. Not really. I just have some stuffed animals up here. I have Eeyore, I have a little whale, and my stuffed bear that I've had since I was 2, 3.
What's the name?
Miga. This is Miga, guys. And she's been around for a while. She's kind of dusty, but you know, it's okay. A sun hat that I bought on a family trip here in Brazil. I forget where we went.
Vem Santa Catarina?
Oh, child. Anyway, I just put that up there because I think it looks nice. And here we have the butterfly with whom I share a love-hate relationship. I put this up a week ago with tape, and honestly, I'm not taking it down because of the effort that it took to put it up, if you know what I mean. It was such a struggle. I don't really like how it looks, if I'm being completely honest, and I kind of want the LED butterfly lamps. We're gonna stick with this for now. I might put up some like things in the wings. I don't know, we'll figure it out. A picture of my lovely parents when they were younger. Very stylish. My mom's dog. Rest in peace. And that's in a frame that I painted myself. Fun fact, I painted this frame like 4 times, and this is the final result after a bunch of different failed attempts. Then I painted this little thing a couple months back. I have a reel of it on my Instagram if you want to go check it out later. But it's very funky vibes. I like the colors, the way it matches, so I put it up there. This is my lovely room that I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Instagram, subscribe, make sure you guys also check out the other videos on my channel. See you guys later.